It's not always necessary to turn off the main water supply. Just make sure the shower head valve is off. Luckily, my shower head was very easy to remove. Then you want to remove the Teflon tape that's on the threads. Then make sure to clean any of the threads for any other debris. Next, apply new Teflon tape. Wrap it clockwise at least 2 to 3 times, pressing the tape into the threads. Now for the fun part, installing your new shower head. This step will vary depending on the shower head that you get, but make sure you always insert any gaskets that are provided. And what's great about mine is that it has a magnetic base. Finally, test your shower for leaks, and then you're all set.